Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends, I'm really happy to be here today. It's a great pleasure for me to say something before you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself shortly. My name is Tanvir Ahmed, and I have completed my intermediate at St. Joseph High Secondary School last year. Today I'm going to talk about something that controls our success, our happiness, and even our future, and that is time management. Time is the most valuable resource we have. We all get 24 hours in a day, but what makes the difference is how we use those hours. Successful people are not born with extra time. They just simply manage their time in a better way. Let me share a real experience of my life. It was my exam day. The story was like that. I reached my college gate and I was just 2 minutes late. Whenever I tried to enter, the security guard stopped me, and I just I told him, sir, it's just 2 minutes. That's not a big deal. But he refused me. Around me, the other students were standing helplessly, and some of them were requesting, and some of them were shouting in frustration. The atmosphere was tense. After a while, the discipline prefect came, and he was my favorite teacher also, and we thought that he would allow us inside. But he looked at us seriously and said that rules are rules. So we have no right to break them. So we can go home. Hearing this, I felt broken. Because of being 2 minutes late, I missed my assembly, I missed my class, and I missed my exam, and a very important day of my life. That day taught me a lesson I will never forget. Time does not forgive anyone. Even a 2 minute mistake can cost you big. So, good time management means setting a clear goals, making a good plan, and most importantly, avoiding distraction and so on. Okay. In conclusion, I would like to say that time is like a river, because the flow that has passed will never return. Thank you so much.